You can take up this topic also. You can add your own ideas. You can take up my ideas. You can speak with me, repeat after me, shadow with me. You can speak on your own. You can take my ideas and speak, right? So you can do a lot of things. And my English is very simple, very easy to understand, very easy to relate to, right? Hey everyone, welcome back. Guess what? Well, today I'm going to talk about a very interesting topic which we all want to know. Yes, it is about success. We all want to be successful in life. We all want to live a beautiful life without stress, without worries, and happily. Right? We all want to do that. But the most important question which comes to us is, since our childhood, I used to think since childhood, like, how can we be successful in life? Right? We all think about this thing, one thing, which is how we can be successful in life. Right? And so I just thought of taking up this topic because I was quite curious in my childhood and I wanted to speak to people about how they've become, successful, or how they've achieved what they are in right now, whatever career they are pursuing. Whenever I used to meet people, my seniors, my cousins, my relatives, my friends, whoever I used to meet, and I used to know that, this person works in this company, or this person has a business, or this person does this, whatever they used to do, I used to speak to them how they studied, what they did to get the job or to do this work, right? So I was very curious about knowing all these things, and I'm sure you guys as well, right? We all want to know how we can become successful in life. So guys, your wait is over. Today I'm going to discuss about how to be successful in life, and I'm going to talk about top 5 skills which are required for us to be successful in our lives, irrespective of whatever profession you are in. If you are a homemaker also, you need some skills, right? It's not easy to run a house as well. So if you are a homemaker, if you are a businessman, if you are a professional, whatever it is, whoever you are in, whichever field you are in, you will need these 5 skills. So I'm going to talk about the top 5 skills which are needed to become successful in life, in whatever you do, whatever you undertake. So guys, are you ready for it? Well, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I'm your communications coach and soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. And guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel to know more about how to improve your English, how to become more fluent and confident in speaking English. Subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do give me a thumbs up, press the notification icon, and don't forget to write your comments in the comment section. And guys, I have one more thing. I have one more information for you. I'm going to take up this question and answer session also, because I get a lot of questions in my comments, right? So I just thought of taking up in a separate session. So I'm going to speak on that as well. So if you have asked me a question and you're waiting for the reply, guys, you have to wait for 1 or 2 more days. I'll come up with this Q&A session and I'll answer your questions, definitely. So coming to the question, how we can be successful in life. See, there's no set rule about how you can be successful in life. It's not necessary you have to be a topper. If you have secured 98%, 99%, then only you will become successful in life. Of course, you can crack IIT. Of course, you can, study in the premier colleges and everything. But it's not necessary that only those people can become successful in life. There are lots of people who are from very average background, very average colleges, who are not even educated also, and they have become successful in life. Right? So it doesn't depend on your education. What education does is, education helps you to opens more opportunities, more ways of you to become more successful in life. It just gives you the entrance to success or entrance to a career path. They groom you, they provide knowledge, they help you in becoming more aware of things mentally, physically. You'll get to know a lot of things, right? And as I told you, it opens a lot of doors for you to become successful. It's upon you how you grab those opportunities, how you take care of those, tackle those opportunities. It's just that. Okay, so it's not necessary that if you are in top colleges or if you have studied, you're well educated, you've done your masters, you've done your PhD, then only you can become successful in life. It's not necessary. Okay, education is very basic. That is the building block of what you can become. It opens door to opportunities. That's it. It's all on you how you grab them, right? So there is when skills comes in. What skills you have which will help you to become successful in life. Now the education also helps you develop these skill sets, right? There are a lot of personality development programs, there are lots of sessions which which colleges and schools provide, which will help you in grooming your personality, overall development, right, which will help you to become successful in life. That is indirectly a way to strengthen your skills or pick up the skills, right? So that is what education does. The first thing is, it's not about education only which will help us to become successful. It's more about our skills, what skills we have and how it will help us to become successful. We have to know that. That is the most important question we need to ask ourselves. What skills we have which will help us to become successful in life, right? Now, skills as simple as patience can also help you to become successful in your career or in your life or in any profession. So if you love cooking, if you love baking, if you have patience, of course you will become successful in that sphere as well. Because of course baking needs time, it needs efforts, there are lots of measurements you have to take care of. It is a job which needs patience. Babysitting, coming up with a creche, coming up with a school, opening a school, it all needs a lot of patience. You have to tackle students, you have to tackle kids, right? So a lot of profession needs different skills. I just spoke about a very basic skill which is patience. And patience of course helps in a lot of other things as well, right? So that is why I just wanted to speak to you about top 5 skills which will help you to become successful in your life. First and the foremost skill according to me is, irrespective of whatever profession you are in, I am talking about a basic homemaker as well, right? People who stay back home to take care of their home, to take care of their child. So those people also need skills. So the one skill which is required for everybody, anybody and everybody, is interpersonal skills. Now what is meant by interpersonal skills? Interpersonal skills means how you interact with people, right? How you talk to people, how you handle situations, how you convey your ideas, right? If you're a homemaker, you have to have a budget. You have to buy your groceries, you have to buy your, household things, and there are lots of things. You have to handle your kid, you have to train your kid, right? You have to answer his or her questions. So it all needs interpersonal skills. If you are in an office, if you have joined an office, if you have joined a college or school, you have to interact with people, right? You need to know the right way to talk to people. Share your ideas, understand the other person's idea, right? It's just not a one-way communication. It has to be two ways, right? So that is what interpersonal skills are. How you manage people, how you talk to people, how people feel about you, right? The second one is conflict management. Now, we all are in an environment where everybody has a right to speak, right? Everybody has his right to express their thoughts. Whether I like the other person's thoughts or not is not important. So everybody has a right to speak, express their thoughts. If you don't like it, that's your problem, right? But today what we do is we start arguing, we start quarreling, we start having an argument, a heated discussion, right? We just don't talk. We start having a heated argument or heated discussion, right? So that is where conflict management comes in. If you are dealing with your kid also, if your child has done something very wrong and you're scolding your kid, you should know how you can handle that situation. It's not necessary that every time you scold the kid and then he will learn that. But you have to find out ways of conflict management, or ways you can handle that conflicting situation, that argument or heated discussion, right? That heated argument, you can handle that. So conflict management is very much required in today's world. We all need to think differently. We all need to think of getting along with everybody, respecting everybody's decisions, respecting everybody's voice, right? We can express our thoughts, we can express that we don't agree with you, but that doesn't mean that we have to argue and prove our point, or we should have a heated discussion with that person. It's not necessary. We don't have to prove our point. It's just that we don't agree. We just said that I don't agree with this just because I think in this way. That's it. If the other person is not ready to accept it, that's fine. You just expressed yourself. You should not get into a heated discussion. So you should know how to handle that conflict. So that is why conflict management is very much required in today's world. I hope you agree with me. The other very important skill which is required is discipline. We all have to be disciplined, guys, whatever we are doing. If you want to learn English as a language, if you want to speak English fluently and confidently also, we have to be disciplined. We need to follow a routine. We need to follow a path. We need to follow a plan. We need to do some things every single day. We cannot skip that. Whatever, if we don't have time also, we have to adjust, right? So that is why we have to be disciplined in what we are doing. That is very important. If we are cooking breakfast, lunch and dinner also, we have to be disciplined. Like what time we have to do. Because there are lots of other things also. If we are going to office and coming back and cooking for our family, we need to be disciplined, right? This is the time which is for this task. This is the time which is for this task. So we have to be disciplined in our activities, our work, whatever we do. If you're not disciplined, it will be very difficult for us to manage everything. So that is why discipline is one quality, one skill which is very much required in every and any profession. And we need to take care of it. Another one is communication skills. I spoke about interpersonal skills. Now I'm speaking about communication skills. Now, what does communication skills mean? Communication means to communicate, to engage with someone, to speak to someone, to talk to someone, right? To express your thoughts, ideas in front of people and understand theirs. So it's a two-way traffic. It's not one way. It's two ways, right? If you are speaking to somebody and you're trying to express your thoughts and ideas, it's very much required that you are ready to listen to the other person's ideas and thoughts as well. That is what communication skills is about. You need to express yourself and understand the other person also, what the other person is trying to say. That is what the meaning of communication skills are. If you're listening to somebody very well and understanding and responding to it, that also is communication skills. It's not necessary that you only talk. If you listen to other person, understand and reply back or respond to them, that is also communication skills. And communication skills includes a lot of things, not only speaking, it includes your body language. It includes your attention, how much you are paying attention to, right? How much you are listening, whether you are understanding everything, whether you are responding in the right way, whether you are actively listening, whether you are interested in listening to the other person, right? So your body language, your response, everything matters. So that is why communication skills is very important. Language is something which you can choose, whether you want to talk in Hindi, in English, or your regional or your mother tongue. That is a different thing. But you need to be very good in communicating your ideas, your thoughts, and understanding the other person as well. So that is what communication skills are. Okay, another one is time management. Yes, you heard it right. Time management. Time management is also very important. That is a very good skill. That is actually a skill. We all lack in this. Even I at times feel that, I am not able to manage time. So that is where we need to work on time management. What is time management? It's just that we need to allot time to our task. If we know we have to do 10 things today, we need to divide our time. We need to see that we do the task on time. If you're not able to manage tasks on time, you will start getting late and it will get delayed. The whole thing will get delayed, right? And probably at the end of the day, you might not able to complete your task. So that is where time management comes into play. You have to manage your time very well. So what I do is, before the start of my day, when I start my day, I come up with a routine. Like, this is the time I'm going to allot to this task. Next task is from this time to this time. So accordingly, I divide my task and try to complete it on time. That is what I've started working on. So you can also start working on this in this way. If you're going to office, if you're going to college, school, or if you have any other task also, other things also at home, if you have a own business, if you have a own, whatever you are doing, so you can just allot. If you are a homemaker also, you can allot your time. You have to take rest, you have to eat something, you have to cook something, you have to go out and buy something, or probably you have to call somebody. There are lots of things, right? When we go to office also, we have meetings, we have our own tasks, we have to go for lunch, we have to go for snack and tea breaks also, and there are lots of tasks also scheduled. So we need plan it. We need to allot time for all these things, and should make sure that we complete it on time. That is what time management is, and it is very much required in every single activity, whatever you are doing. So guys, I guess these were the top skills which we need to develop in ourselves in order to be successful in life, or in successful in whatever we do, and to be happy. So guys, what you can do is, these topics are very simple, these are very basic, right? And you can take up this topic also, you can add your own ideas, you can take up my ideas, you can speak with me, repeat after me, shadow with me, you can speak on your own, you can take my ideas and speak, right? So you can do a lot of things. And my English is very simple, very easy to understand, very easy to relate to, right? What you have to do is, you just have to switch on your camera, start recording it, start speaking on this topic and record it, and listen to it and try to improve it every single day. So if you do it for a month at least, you will see the difference, I'm sure. Well, that's a wrap today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye.